Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing an all matte look. I'm first going into the TooFaced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I'm just bronzing my face with this. I'm taking this Amuse Cosmetics blush, and this is in Peach Harmony, and I'm using a Luxie brush, and I'm just putting this on my face. I really like this blush. It's really pigmented, so just when you use it, be careful because it's very pigmented and applies a lot. Taking my beauty blender and just blending in the blush a little more. I'm taking this Amuse Cosmetics highlighter. It does not have a name, but it's actually like a really silver white type of highlighter. And just taking an angled like fluffy brush and just applying this where you highlight your face. Taking my beauty blender and just blending this highlighter into my face just so it looks blended and everything. Now moving on to the eyes, I'm taking the Urban Decay Naked Ultimate Basics palette and I'm going into the shade Nude, and I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just putting this all over my crease as a transition shade. Brushes I'm using are the AOA Studio brushes, and the names of the brushes will be down in the description. I'm now going into the shade Faith, and I'm just putting this all over my crease with the same brush. I'm taking this shade right here and I'm using a more tapered brush, and I'm just focusing this in my crease, but especially on the outer parts of the crease just to darken up my outer corners. I'm taking this shade and then this purple shade, and I'm focusing this on the outer corners only and not really putting it in my crease too much, just blending it in my crease. But this is just to deepen out my outer corners. Okay, so I'm going into this really like light white shade and just putting this all over the lid. You don't have to use a white shade, you can just leave it how it is, but I just wanted to make it a little brighter. I'm going into this black shade in the palette, and with just a flat like eyeliner brush, I'm just lining my eyes with this as if it was eyeliner. I'm taking a fluffier pencil brush and I'm just using this to smudge the black. I'm now taking the fluffy crease brush that I used to put all the shades on my crease, and with the exact same shades, I'm just blending this under my eyes. I'm now taking this Smashbox X-rated mascara and I'm curling my lashes, and I'm just applying the mascara to my top and lower eyelashes. I'm taking this NYX lip liner, and this is in Peekaboo Neutral, and I'm just lining my lips with this and partially filling them in. And then I'm taking a NYX soft matte lip cream in Cairo, and I'm just applying that all over my lips. I'm now taking this matte lipstick, and I believe the shade is in Fleek, and it's an AOA Cosmetics lipstick, and I'm just applying this. And that finishes up this all matte look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!